What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you with me for the Pradiance launch South Africa. They are launching a new day cream today and I just wanted to show you a little bit of what's going to be going on. All the girls are upstairs right now, but I just wanted to show you some of these beautiful yellow cakes. And it hasn't started yet. Oh, no. So all the girls are checking in now and it's getting loud and vibey and super fun. So I'm just going to show you the new product now. That's okay. Guys, we are sitting here at the Pradiance launch. We are about to go over right there on the projector screen the whole new launch, and we're just sitting here having a little light breakfast. How beautiful is this? It's insane. And then this is rocket fuel. What was this again? It was like a mango,
strawberry, papaya, and orange. Or carrot.
strawberry, papaya, carrot juice. Everything's just so springy and beautiful and fresh and light and early and fun. And so I'm really excited to see what they have to say about it.
Delicious new ultra-rich day cream, that is the intention of today. But I know a lot of you are hearing about Pradiance for the very first time. So I've got a little intro on Pradiance. We really, before I start, as Pradiance was a startup at the beginning of last year, it took 3 years to develop the brand. I became quite hypersensitive, and the hypersensitivity initially wasn't very nice, but I've really learned to embrace it, and now I make my own perfumes out of essential oils. African sausage tree. So our key ingredient, Kigelia, in combination with all sorts of African botanicals, assists in the treatment of uneven pigmentation, scarring. It also happens to firm the skin, improves scar tissue. It really has amazing healing properties. Hello!
How's it? Good. Twinkies. Yeah. Oh, you buy them? Yeah. I dropped off my tiger ones at Hicks. So this is the store that I always get these little espadrilles from that I wear. See how cute they are? And they've got like all these different types of styles that they can create, but the storefront's really small because most of the girls are in the back and they make custom espadrilles. So I'm picking up a pair right now. And I've got my other pair on, ready for summer. Alright guys, so I have now run some errands, picked up some shoes. You saw the Pradiance launch. That was so fun and really educational, and I just thought it was really cool to be a part of that. Now I've got to go and actually source some wardrobe for a photo shoot tomorrow. I got put on lastminute.com for a shoot. Getting in the car now. Like 1 billion things. Does this ever happen to anyone? It's the life, hey? The life. Okay guys, I am home now from the launch. I'm cutting my head off a little bit, sorry. A little bit backlit. But I wanted to open up this little goodie bag from Pradiance. Just take my little name tag off. I just thought this was a really cool kind of thing to kind of showcase this better than just Insta story. So we can kind of unbox it together and go through everything. And then I'm gonna leave a link to their website and all the places that they distribute their product throughout South Africa down in the description box. So first things first, we've gotten a little leaflet. This just kind of gives us a little bit of information about the line. And then inside of here, I'll put this to the side, is a little bag. And we have 3 full-size products in here. Their packaging is really beautiful. It's kind of like see if you can see. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys a little bit better. Is that better? Okay, maybe this is better. So they've got this beautiful side. Who's calling me? Fiance, hold on. How's it? Okay, bye. So they gave me 3 full-size products to explore and test out. One of which is their classic cleansing milk. Another one is a balancing facial toner. I'm super excited about this. I've needed a really new good toner to test out. Not everyone's doing toners these days, so that's awesome. Super excited about that. And then the debut, which is the Ultra Rich Day Cream. I'm just gonna show you quickly what it looks like. I'm gonna open this up for you as well. Super excited to be trying out some new products. And again, all of Pradiance's products are completely sustainable, biodegradable, vegan, free of any mineral oils, things like that. So it's super just full of the good stuff. They have some super powerful anti-aging properties in some of their ingredients, which is so cool because it's all natural. So I'm really excited to try this out. Everyone needs a little bit of anti-aging in their life. Again, the balancing toner and the cleansing milk. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all their information down below. They've got beautiful packaging. The owner herself, she's just such an incredible woman, and I think what they're doing is really rad. So if you are into local, saving the environment, being a good person, and feeling beautiful and bright and glowy and fresh and dewy and radiant and all of that kind of stuff, then check them out, Pradiance. I'll leave, again, all their information down below for you guys. This place is not gonna look like this when we're done with it. It is crazy. We found such a good buy. There is a big mirror wall here. I think we're actually going to take this down. I'm also going to show you our little kitchen area. This is probably going to be the biggest change in our entire property. Obviously getting all new countertops, new sinks, new everything.